Hi, I'm making today a white kabsa. Beautiful fragrance. Don't waste time. Let's move to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. We need mutton, washed and cut, 1.5 kg. Onto a pot. Oil, 1/4 cup. Add sliced onions too. Give a stir. Add 3 bay leaves, 1 dry lime, cinnamon stick, 4 pods of cardamom, coriander seed 1 teaspoon, cloves 6 each, cumin seed 1 teaspoon, black peppercorn 1 teaspoon, and saute until transparent. Add the mutton. Give a quick stir and seal all the sides into a light brown color. Add just enough water to cover the mutton. Add 1 whole garlic, cover and boil for 1 hour. Meanwhile, we can serve the rice. We need 3 cups of long grain Basmati rice, washed and soaked for 30 minutes. The mutton, it's ready. Drain the mutton from the stock. Remove to a plate and keep it aside. Strain the stock. Don't throw it out. We need it later. Add the boiled mutton to the pot, the soaked rice, and the stock. 5 pieces of chilies, 1.5 tablespoons of salt on a high heat. Give a quick stir. Cover. Bring to boil and let the water reduce to the rice quantity. Seal it with the lid and on a very low heat 30 minutes. You will get a nice fluffy rice like this. So fragrant, so fluffy, so tasty. Let's try the white kabsa. The fragrance are so good. I'm trying this rice with takus. You remember, right? Arabic salsa I told. The recipe is there in my channel. Let's try the rice. Very soft, fluffy rice. Not too much of spices. Very pleasant flavor. And mutton are so soft. Just melts at your mouth. So good. It's a way different flavor from our biryani. It have a lot of flavors but no spices. Super delicious. Get a touch of the kus with that rice. Make that rice into the next level. Because the kus have that spiciness, the tanginess, and the freshness. So it's a great, beautiful combination. So please, if you like it, share it, try it, and comment it, and give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.